Rockford man will have to wait a few more days to find out if he'll remain a free man. Patrick Pursley spent more than 20 years already in prison for murder.
But new evidence allowed him to be released. He's now trying to get a second trial for the same murder thrown out. Karina Prada was in court this afternoon, and Karina, Pursley's team says the judge's decision was an easy one.
That's right, Eric and Emily. Pursley's attorneys say his life has been hijacked for far too long by others' misconduct, adding the team feels very good about their evidence presented in the motion. Patrick Pursley sat in court as attorneys argued whether or not his murder retrial should be dismissed. In 1994, he was convicted for the murder of Andy Asher. But last year, a ballistics test proved the gun in the original trial didn't match the weapon used in Asher's death.
Now what the state is doing is attempting to retry Mr. Pursley for that same indictment of murder. We are arguing that that case cannot go forward because of the police and prosecutorial misconduct in that case.
A bystander report taken in 2017 is at the center of what the defense is saying is misconduct. In it, the victim's mother claims Rockford police may have planted evidence that helped convict Pursley. That report, however, never made it to Pursley's defense team, something they say former Assistant State's Attorney Steve Biaggi was in charge of.
So all of this stuff about how Biaggi's the bad guy, that makes, in all fairness, that office the bad actor here.
The report was finally turned in before the retrial was set to begin last month.
It should have been turned over, and it wasn't. We understand that that's us.
Despite the report's allegations, Rock believes the trial should proceed. Pursley's team, though, wants the murder retrial dismissed.
It's just emotional. You want it over with, and somehow it just keeps going on and on. That's the best way to put it. Just want it over.
Judge Joseph McGraw didn't make a decision today, but says he will take some time to review all the information, and he hopes to have a decision on the mistrial motion by the end of next week. Emily?
All right, thank you, Karina.